I'm Susan. Today I'm trying a new cookie and it's called a Cowboy Cookie. And it sounds like it'd be good. It's got oats. It's supposed to have coconut, but I didn't have any coconut. I thought I did, but I didn't. So I'm substituting chocolate because I feel like you can't go wrong with chocolate. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. I hope you're having a great day. So without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of regular sugar, 1 cup of oil, 3 large eggs, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 cups of rice cereal, 1 cup of quick oats, 1 cup of chopped nuts, a teaspoon of vanilla, and it calls for a cup of coconut. I thought I had some, but I don't. So I'm substituting chocolate because you can't go wrong with chocolate, and my sons aren't real crazy about coconut anyway. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees. And to a large mixing bowl, you want to add your sugars, your oil, and your eggs. And you want to mix that really well. Now you want to separately sift your flour, your baking powder, and your baking soda, and add it to your wet ingredients. Mix this until it's well combined. Now you want to add in your rice cereal, your nuts and your oats, your vanilla, and your coconut if you have it, or your chocolate. Stir this well by hand and then drop by the teaspoonfuls on your cookie sheet. Now this recipe said to bake them for 10 to 12 minutes. It only took 9 minutes for my cookies. And I just baked them till they were light golden brown. And here they are. They really were good. I loved them a lot. My boys liked them. They liked them with the chocolate. My husband and I really want to try them with the coconut. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. I hope y'all have a great day, and I hope your weekend was great, and I hope your week will be even better. Love y'all. Take care. Until next time. Bye, y'all.